know I've been in the slammer. Everybody day just know today I got some news for you. Listen, I got some news for you. My name is Mr. Magoo. I rap like this all the time, but I don't drink no wine. If you like this rhyme, if you're looking at me, I hope you can really see. My name is Ray. I go all day. I got a paycheck goes all the way. I got a wife. She's really nice. Everybody know can't have this life, but my name is Ray. Like I said, everybody lives in. I'm not done. I got some glasses. Do you got some? Everybody know. Don't want to have none. My name is Magoo. Know what to do. I got my shit. How about you? I went to work. I worked all day. Didn't want to stay. I went outside. I got my car. Looked at the map. It was too far. I said, everybody, where are you going? I don't know. I'm just a store. And I went to U-Haul, packed the truck. Everybody said I got some luck, but I want you to know what.